Hello, fifth grade cyber parents. This is a very specific video just for you and for your children. We know that some of you are still struggling with the iPad, still struggling with how to operate the apps, how to create, navigate, download, upload, complete assignments. I want you to know that it's really critical that you solve these issues now because as we enter next week, you're going to start seeing zeros showing up in your child's PowerSchool gradebook for assignments that are not completed. This will not only impact their grades and performance in their classes, but it will also impact their attendance. So we want to encourage you to work to solve those problems. Now, we've worked with a lot of students, and we've really looked at the issues that the fifth grade cyber students are having. And the root of the problem really seems to be that the students seem to be trying to skip steps and maybe just jumping into assignments without really looking at all of the setup videos, all of the time that should have been sent going through those short setup videos systematically. From the very beginning, the fifth grade teachers have pushed out several step-by-step videos on each of the iPad functions that are critical for them, each of the apps that are needed for success. And if your child maybe skip through those or watch them very quickly without paying close attention, that is likely why they're finding themselves struggling right now. We want to ask you to do a few things to help your child out at this point. Please go back with your child into their Schoology for each of their classes. Start from the videos that were posted from the very beginning, especially the ones that you're going to find under the Student Materials tab or labeled How-To videos. Pay particular attention to those videos. You may have to watch them a couple times with your child just to get the idea of what those videos are communicating and what your child is going to need to do to be successful as we move throughout this year. We would ask you to pay particular attention to the videos that give instruction on the Teams app. Some of your children are missing the video conferences. There are a couple video conferences each week. These are critical for your child's success, for them to attend these with the teachers, and so that's something that you want to really try to get figured out. Now, if you go through these, and this weekend may be a good time for you to do that, or maybe the next few evenings, if you go through those videos carefully, you watch them a couple times, you work with your child, if you're still struggling after doing that, we would ask you to get in contact with your child's teacher to see if you can schedule an appointment to come in for a one-on-one session between you and your child, along with the teacher and a member of our Technology Vanguard. Please don't ask for an appointment if you haven't gone through those videos at least once or twice with your child. But after that, we feel like this appointment can be very productive if there are still some things that you're struggling with. The other thing we want you to keep in mind is that returning to school for in-person instruction, if that's a possibility for you and your family, may be the best solution for your child at this point. So once again, we realize that this is very difficult learning from at home. We know that it is not the ideal approach, but we understand why that might fit best for some students. So we're going to continue to work hard with you to try to get these issues figured out so that your child can be successful this year. Thank you, and we hope you have a great day.